The rapid evolution of digital technologies and the internet has spurred immense innovation in the web design industry. As designers and businesses alike continuously strive to establish a strong online presence, keeping up with new developments remains crucial to staying ahead of the curve and maintaining a competitive edge in the digital sphere. Among the transformative forces shaping web design, artificial intelligence, AI, continues to draw significant attention for its potential to revolutionize the ways we conceptualize, create, and experience digital platforms. As we stand at the dawn of a new era in web design, many find themselves contemplating how AI will impact the future of the field. In this article, we aim to decode the influence of this groundbreaking technology on future website design trends, addressing the implications, challenges, and potential unleashed by the convergence of AI and web design. Explore the transformative potential of AI as it facilitates automation in design workflows, enables hyper-personalized user experiences, drives real-time user support with chatbots, and optimizes website performance through advanced analytics. As we delve into each aspect, we will probe its likely effect on future web design practices and reveal how businesses and designers can harness the power of AI to elevate their websites, expand their reach, and achieve their digital objectives. Whether you are an entrepreneur seeking cutting-edge web design services or a professional designer eager to stay current in an ever-changing industry, this comprehensive guide will provide invaluable insights and foresight into the fascinating realm of AI and its future role in shaping the world of web design. Embark on this exciting journey and discover what the AI-driven future of web design has in store for you and your digital presence. 1. Advancements in AI-driven web design automation. One of the most significant impacts of AI on future web design lies in its automation capabilities. As AI-driven tools and platforms advance, the design and development process will likely become faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. Moreover, the increased use of AI in automating various tasks, from layout generation to image optimization, will enable designers to focus on the creative aspects of web design, ensuring that the user experience remains a top priority. Tools such as Wix ADI, The Grid, and Bookmark AI leverage machine learning algorithms to create responsive layouts and design elements customized to the user's content and preferences. By eliminating time-consuming, manual tasks, designers can reduce the overall project timeline and provide more affordable web design services to businesses of all sizes. 2. The future of hyper-personalized user experiences. As AI technology continues to evolve, its potential to further enhance web design's user experience, UX aspect is unparalleled. AI-powered analytics and machine learning algorithms will increasingly allow for hyper-personalized digital experiences that cater to individual users' preferences, browsing habits, and demographics. Businesses and designers can anticipate implementing adaptive website designs that dynamically modify content, images, and layout based on a user's behavior, location, and device used. Additionally, AI-driven content curation and product recommendations will become widespread, providing more relevant information to users while increasing engagement and conversion rates. 3. The rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are already making ripples in the realm of user support and customer service. As NLP, natural language processing, technologies continue to evolve and improve, we can expect future chatbots to be even more effective, providing personalized and context-aware support to users. By integrating more human-like conversational aspects and advanced customer profiling into AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, designers can create exceptional user experiences that not only solve users' issues or queries in real time, but also accumulate valuable data to personalize their digital experiences further. 4. Revolutionizing website performance optimization with AI. As AI analytics tools become more sophisticated, their potential to revolutionize website optimization and maintenance is immense. Machine learning algorithms can monitor site performance, detect issues or anomalies, and suggest improvements for design elements, layout optimizations, and content updates. Moreover, the future impact of AI on website performance transcends a website's visual aspects. With advanced AI-driven analysis, designers can optimize a website's back-end performance in areas such as server response times, database management, and load balancing to ensure faster, smoother user experiences. By leveraging advanced AI analytics tools, businesses and design professionals can continuously optimize their websites for both aesthetics and performance, catering to the ever-evolving tastes of users while staying ahead of competitors in the constantly shifting digital landscape. Conclusion: the profound impact of artificial intelligence on the future of web design is undeniable, as it continues to reshape how we approach design, industry best practices, and user experiences. As AI advancements permeate the digital realm, businesses and design professionals must prepare to embrace these powerful technologies to stay relevant and competitive. By adopting AI-driven tools and techniques in web design, you can create exceptional, innovative digital platforms that surpass traditional design boundaries and resonate deeply with your target audience. As you progress, always seek to learn more about new developments in AI-powered web design and remain adaptable to evolving technologies and user expectations. WebGuy LLC is a web design agency that aims to stay ahead of the curve by harnessing the potential of emerging AI technologies to deliver outstanding, professional web design services that elevate your digital presence. If you're ready to embrace the transformative power of AI in web design, collaborate with WebGuy LLC to ensure your website is prepared for the future, providing unique, seamless, and engaging experiences for your visitors.